Hey, what's up everyone? Just wanted to do a unboxing of the FEIN Turbo 1. This is going to be used for a dust extraction vacuum for all of our tools, and that's pretty much it. So just going to pull the bag off, pull the unit out. So there goes our unit. It looks like it's not sitting on its wheel, so we're gonna have to put those on. We also have our hose. Here goes our wheels. Let's see what else we got in here. We got some extensions and different connectors, tips for the vacuum, as well as our long connector here, or tip, wide. Like that's like a floor vacuum, right?
Yeah, it's for the floor.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So this is actually going to be pretty cool, guys, to vacuum out the actual floor. So these are bristles. That's pretty neat. And then we have these. I don't even know where these go. We're gonna have to look at the instructions and figure out if this goes in here somehow. Or, oh, these are probably for water. I'm guessing, I'm not sure. I think they go in here. Yeah, they go in here. They're replacements for the bristles. So if you wanna go with rubber, just hard rubber pieces on here instead of the bristles, you can. Now we got our hose. You push that in to the slot and then turn it to the right, and that should lock in. So now, there you go.
And we started using the vacuum almost immediately as soon as we got out of the box. It did come with a filter and a bag already in it, so that was really easy to put on, install, and get to work. And so as you can see, my husband used it to vacuum up the trunk of the car. And then we started with some of the tools.
So I got my tool power hooked up to the machine, opposed to the wall, because that way it won't read it. Now I'll put it in the power tool mode and turn it on. So now all I have to do is press on the trigger and just start sanding. There's no real dust on the, not from the actual sanding that I've done. There's not a really lot, there's some dust. There's very minimal dust on here. Wow, that's pretty good. I can't even, there's not even any debris that's falling off. You can see some on here, but that's it. That's pretty good.
And then now I'm going to show you how loud this is. It's not super loud, but it's not as quiet as I thought. And now it's actually priced at $329 if you go to the Home Depot website, which is where we bought it. A month and a half ago when we purchased it, it was actually even a little bit more discounted. It was at $296. And so that wasn't that long ago. So let me know what you guys think about this video and how loud this is. I know a lot of people are saying that it's actually quiet, but I think it's a little loud. I also went ahead and purchased this other less expensive vacuum, and if you want to see them side by side, I'll make another video on it. It's actually, I'm going to be linking it down below, and I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on both of these.